They didn't announce it on the news. There were no breaking headlines or grand public speeches, but it's already here. Artificial intelligence has quietly taken over the core of America's systems. And most people are living inside this transformation without even realizing it. This isn't science fiction. This is 2025. And AI isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's shaping how America thinks, works, moves, and even how it governs. Let's start where it's most hit in your daily life. If you've used Google Maps recently, searched something on YouTube, or even scrolled through your favorite social media feed, you've interacted with artificial intelligence. These platforms learn from your habits. They predict what you want before you know it. They recommend what to buy, who to follow, and what to believe. It's subtle, but it's everywhere. These systems are powered by deep neural networks and machine learning models trained on millions, sometimes billions of interactions. Every time you speak to Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, AI is translating your voice, processing your intent, and delivering what feels like magic. But what you're re-witnessing is the front end of a massive transformation that has been years in the making. Behind the scenes, AI is analyzing patterns from millions of users, fine-tuning its algorithms, and becoming smarter with every interaction. And this silent revolution is changing industries completely. In the world of business, AI is now essential. Major American corporations, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, are investing billions into AI. From supply chain optimization to fraud detection, customer service automation to personalized marketing, AI is driving efficiency like never before. At financial institutions, algorithms are replacing traders. At hospitals, AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases. It's faster, more accurate, and it doesn't get tired. In fact, AI is now helping detect certain cancers earlier than any human could. Education is also being reshaped. AI-powered platforms are tailoring learning experiences to individual students. It can detect where a student struggles and adjust the curriculum in real time. Teachers aren't being replaced, but they're being empowered. Imagine classrooms where every student gets a personal tutor. AI is making that possible, but the change isn't limited to apps or software. America's roads are shifting to self-driving cars, delivery drones, and AI-assisted traffic management systems are no longer futuristic ideas. Tesla's full self-driving mode, GM's Cruise, Waymo's autonomous taxis, they're all AI at work. These vehicles use advanced computer vision and deep learning to understand their surroundings and make split-second decisions. In cities like Phoenix and San Francisco, people are already commuting in cars that drive themselves, quietly, seamlessly. And yes, even the American military has stepped into the AI age. The Pentagon has been investing heavily in AI for defense and strategic operations. From autonomous drones to surveillance systems, AI is making real-time battlefield decisions faster than any general could. This has sparked ethical debates, of course, but the reality is clear. The US is preparing for a future where wars could be fought with algorithms. Now let's talk about jobs. This is where most Americans start to notice the change. AI has replaced millions of repetitive and low-skilled tasks. Call centers are now run by AI bots. Basic data entry roles have been automated. Even journalism, graphic design, and legal work are seeing a wave of AI-powered tools. But there's another side to this. AI is also creating new roles. AI engineers, data scientists, prompt engineers, AI ethicists. These didn't exist a decade ago. The economy isn't shrinking, it's shifting. Smart people are adapting, learning to work with AI rather than fearing it. Think about healthcare again for a moment. During surgeries, robotic systems guided by AI now assist human surgeons with precision that's Radiologists use AI to analyze medical scans in seconds. Pharmacists rely on AI to optimize drug interactions and prescriptions. This isn't the future, this is now, and it's happening in hospitals across America. Let's zoom out and look at politics. Believe it or not, AI is already influencing elections. Not directly yet, but through social media algorithms and micro-targeted advertising. AI analyzes voter behavior, emotional triggers, and demographic patterns to craft personalized political messages. Campaigns aren't just run by people anymore. They're run by data. This has changed the rules of democracy, and most voters don't even realize it. Even agriculture has changed. In rural America, farmers are using AI-powered drones to monitor crop health. Precision agriculture uses machine learning to predict yield, optimize irrigation, and detect pests all in real time. This means more food, less waste, and lower costs. The American farm is no longer just tractors and sweat. It's sensors, satellites, and smart algorithms. But here's where it gets even more personal. Your face, your voice, your digital fingerprint are all being tracked and stored by systems you've never seen. AI-driven surveillance is now used in airports, public transportation, and even in retail stores. Facial recognition systems can detect emotions, identify individuals, and track movement across cities. It's promoted as safety and convenience, but it also raises serious privacy concerns. So how did we get here without anyone noticing? Because it didn't happen overnight. It crept in slowly, one app at a time. First it was helpful suggestions, then automated messages, then self-checkouts, then fully AI-managed warehouses. And now, in 2025, we find ourselves surrounded by intelligent systems quietly running the show. But here's the good news. You're not powerless. In fact, those who understand AI today will shape tomorrow. You don't need a PhD to participate. There are free tools, platforms, and communities teaching AI skills. Whether it's learning how to prompt a chatbot, automate a business task, or analyze trends with machine learning, you have access. Right now, AI isn't just for tech giants anymore. It's for entrepreneurs, students, artists, freelancers, freelancers, anyone with curiosity. The question is, are you aware of the shift happening around you? Because the ones who see it, who study it, embrace it, and build with it will be the leaders of the new world. America's quiet AI takeover isn't about replacing people. It's about evolving with intelligence, human and artificial, side by side. But you have to pay attention. You have to unlearn old limits and adopt new possibilities. AI is already changing your world whether you see it or not. The choice is yours: be left behind, or lead the way. So next time you use your phone, your car, or even order a coffee through an app, remember, you're living inside the AI revolution. It's here, it's powerful, and it's only getting started.